guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a while since I've done a video. It's probably been about 3 to 4 years probably. I did stop making videos for a while because due to the fact that I was not in the right place. When I say that, I mean like in mind I was not. Now I'm like in a better place. I am happy. I am, genuinely happy. So I made this video. I'm not gonna be talking a lot on this video. It's just like me cooking, but in the future I will have videos of me, contando chisme and shit like that. But for now, just enjoy this short little video I'm making. What I am cooking today though is fish tilapia with yellow rice and potato. It's not really much. It's probably on the budget of about $20 to $30 worth, and it was pretty good actually. So just keep on watching to see at the end how it all turned out. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, give it a like, and hit the bell button so you can get notified every time I post a video.